Luxembourg is the largest investment fund centre in Europe and the second largest in the world, with over €5 trillion net assets under management. This has not happened by accident. From the first UCITS directive in 1985, Luxembourg has been at the forefront of the implementation of the European financial legislation, showing an ability to evolve and adapt quickly to changing requirements. A multilingual country in the centre of Europe, Luxembourg is ideally situated to support fund managers in the pan-European distribution of their funds. The country has earned itself a reputation for stability, a business-friendly environment, and excellence in the provision of services in the investment management industry. This is evidenced by the fact that the world's leading asset managers have chosen Luxembourg as a centre for their international fund ranges. The industry here is mainly dedicated to fund administration, custody, and transfer agency services, as well as compliance and risk management. Fund managers looking for the best structure for their fund vehicle will find a wide choice in Luxembourg. UCITS funds available to retail investors are the strongest brand, thanks to the very smart decision in 1988 to become the first country to implement the UCITS directive into national law. Part 2 UCIs are also available to retail investors, but are subject to lighter diversification requirements than UCITS. Luxembourg has also become a prime location for alternative investment funds. The SICR and SIF regimes allow the creation of efficient, regulated funds reserved to well-informed investors. Both are subject to lighter diversification and oversight requirements than the UCITS or the Part 2 UCIs. Luxembourg Limited Partnerships are an attractive and flexible vehicle to set up both regulated and unregulated funds. Finally, Luxembourg has a reserved alternative investment fund, an unregulated vehicle managed by a regulated alternative investment fund manager and reserved to well-informed investors. Our team has a strong experience in helping fund managers to establish their funds, utilising the full array of available vehicles in Luxembourg. We advise on UCITS, SIF, SICR and Part 2 funds and are experienced and comfortable in liaising with the local regulator in obtaining their authorisation. We also advise on the establishment and launch of many funds not directly regulated by the CSSF. The funds we advise invest across a variety of asset classes, from long-only equity to venture capital, private equity, real estate, debt and infrastructure funds. Once the fund is established, we continue to support and advise it in relation to changing and new legislation, the latest legislative changes on sustainability being a recent example. We found that clients have appreciated our ability to work seamlessly with our tax and banking teams in order to ensure the success of their projects.